What's going on, fellas? It's your boy Maze. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some like dystopian beats. You might have seen on HAKO's TikTok. He's been posting these like crazy clips. Shit's just like nuts, you know what I mean? It just puts you in your like, whoa, ethereal, out of body, dystopian future kind of beats. I want to call it utopian, but like you can't really say utopia without dudes being like, oh bro, this isn't a Travis Scott beat. So I'm just gonna call it dystopian beats. Hope you guys rock with that. And if you guys haven't got our 1K kit, links down below. Shit's fire, completely free. And yeah, let's get right into it. You know, first thing you want to do is you want to set the BPM, and for these kind of beats you want like a slow BPM, like 116. I'm working on a new kit, by the way, so yeah, I'm gonna be using that in this video. So I'm gonna grab this pluck right here. It just sounds sick, you know what I mean? It's just kind of weird, kind of fire, kind of sick. And I'm in G sharp minor, so the progression for these kind of beats is super simple. So I'm gonna lay down first note right here. I'm gonna count 1 up and then 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this note right here, this note right here. Select them, pitch them up, add a note right here. Just like that. I'm gonna hit Option R just to randomize the velocities, and I'm gonna find some sort of lead. So I'm gonna use this one-shot glide, drag that in, and then I'm gonna add this lead to it, and this just makes it so it's like automatically like it glides. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna select these, just hold Shift Command, and then I'm gonna hit Command X. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clone this sound right here, hit Command V, paste that shit in here. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply different effects on these leads just to make it sound a little bit different, you know? So now that's it for the melody. That's all you need. So just select it, go to the mixer, hit Shift Command L, and just paste it. And I'm just gonna mix these sounds. So I'm gonna take these keys and I'm just gonna add like a chorus to it. I'm also gonna add pan flow. Just keep it slight. For the first lead, I'm gonna go to our 1K kit right here. I'm gonna go to the mixer presets and I'm gonna grab this lead texture right here. This preset's fire. I'm just gonna turn off this gross beat. Let's pray that it fucking backed up. Fuck yeah, it's here. So I'm gonna add filter step to this second lead, and this shit is sick. This is free, by the way, so make sure to go get it. So I'm gonna take these melodies right here, hit Shift Command, I'm gonna select all of them, I'm gonna route them right here, and then what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna add shaper box to it. You just want to add like some movement to it, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do. 8th stepper. Yeah, big stepper, I'm a big. Should turn off this drive. I'm gonna go here. Low cut it, and then I'm gonna get started on the drums. I'm gonna use this kit I'm working on. We grab this 808. Crazy. For all you guys that still do that square thing, you don't have to do that. So just put the attack down and then just put the release down. That's all you need to do. And just cut that shit. I'm gonna go to the basses right here, and I want to grab one of those like bam, you know what I'm saying? One of those like Benny X kind of basses. This kid's gonna be out like end of the week. It's still like new jazz, but it's not recycled sounds. Dude's gonna be like, whoa, where'd you get that 808 from? You're like, yo, my boy Maze hooked it up, you know what I'm saying? Some sauce for you guys. If you do this and then you make this a slide note and put the velocity of this one all the way down, what it does is it like reverses the 808. I'm gonna grab a hat. Listen to these hats though. Listen to this shit. Like what? You've never heard anything like that. I'm gonna grab this dog hat right here. Just 2-step it. That's literally all you need. That's literally it. That's all you need. So now I'm gonna arrange it. I'm gonna do some slight little sauce, you know. So I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna select that like that. I'm gonna go to the melody master right here. I'm gonna go to my evolve kit, and I'm gonna mix your presets, gross beat, and I'm gonna grab this new jazz slide right here. I have that shit in. Let's drag it here so all the effects are still on it. I'm gonna hit this red button right here, hit Option R, just render that. Yup, put your lighters up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, to show, flashlights on. You just reminisce about your life. Listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like. And if anybody wants smoke, 1v1 me Rust. Benny's still dodging me. He doesn't want to catch these hands, you know what I'm saying? So my new kit's gonna be out end of the week. If you guys want to get our 1K kit, shit's absolutely free. Links down below. And follow me on Instagram @ProudMaze. Follow underdogs.oo. And join our Discord. You guys made it all the way to the end. Comment down below, trick shot last. Let's confuse the fuck out of everyone. Be like, what the fuck are they talking about? Trick shot what? Trick shot who? Trick shot what? Trick shot me? Trick shot you? Yo, just trick shot, you know what I'm saying? Hope you guys had a good ass weekend. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.